Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. In this video, we will be discussing one of the problems given in CodeChef, and we'll try to solve this problem. We'll see how we can solve this. This is one of the DSA learning series problem, and the problem goes like life, the universe, and everything. So this is the problem code goes test. So let's see what the problem is. So you were given your program is to use the brute force approach in order to find the answer to life, the universe, and everything. More precisely, rewrites small numbers from input to output. So we need to rewrite small numbers from input to output. So also we need to stop the processing input after reading in the number 42. So once we read the number 42, it says we need to stop the processing. All right. And it says all the numbers at input are integers and 1 or 2 digits. Integers of 1 or 2 digits. Okay, so 1 or 2 digits will only be there. So we need also to check that no, we don't need to check that. We know everything is integer. Like everything is of 1 or 2 digits. So we don't need to check for 100, like greater than 100 or less than minus 100. All right. So this goes as the inputs given is 1, 2, 88, 42, 99, and the output goes as 1, 2, 88. So once it got 42, this should terminate. All right, let's go over our editor and write some code. Here we are in the CodeChef editor, and let's click on submit and let the terminal open for us. All right. So just a second. Yeah, it opened up. We just need to, I will be using Python for this, so let's just open this up. All right, so we found we just need to check if the input is 42 or not. So we can take something like, we can say input, and we can say int input. All right, so we got our first input. We'll check while oh wait, I say take it as number. So while num not equal to 42, we'll just check if our number is 42 or not. What we'll do, we'll simply go over the next line and print our number. Right, next we will just take another input. So num is int input. All right, so this is our program that we need to do. Just go ahead with the submit button and let's see what it does for us. So there you see the program got accepted and it says it's the correct answer. And that's how you can solve this first problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope to see you soon in our next video.